every single day. Somewhere in the world, a forklift becomes a deadly weapon. Let's talk about the 4 horsemen of forklift disasters. First, blind spots. Reversing without a horn or proper mirrors is a recipe for tragedy. Second, speed. Anything over 8 kilometers per hour turns a simple collision into a fatal one. Third, mixed traffic chaos. When people and machines share the same space without clear rules, workers end up crossing directly in the path of moving forks. And fourth, high loads. Stacking pallets so high you can't see is responsible for a staggering 60% of fatalities. But there are proven ways to stop this. ANSIB 56.1 standards aren't just suggestions, they are lifesavers. Convex mirrors plus blue spot lamps eliminate blind spots. Yellow pedestrian lanes with one-way aisles segregate traffic. Auto brake sensors detect people instantly. And high-vis vests with floor tape scream danger. So do this now. Honk 3 times, entering, reversing, turning, scan 360 with head out stop for any pedestrian. Lock speeds under 5 kph in pedestrian zones. Daily check horns, lights, defects, urgent. Mark your pedestrian lanes and slow down today, or tomorrow's carnage has your name.